Period opening starts with f4, and a very tricky response for black is pawn sacrifice on e5, pawn takes, d6, pawn takes, bishop takes pawn, g3, queen to g5, knight f3, queen takes g3, pawn takes, bishop takes, and it's a checkmate. Now here is another very tricky situation of the third opening. White moves f4, black moves e5, pawn takes, d6, pawn takes, bishop takes, knight f3, g5, e4, g4, e5, pawn takes knight, pawn takes bishop, queen h4, check, g3, queen e4, check, king f2, queen d4, check. Now, if the king returns to e1, a very strong move is bishop g4. Now, please put on your comment on your analysis on what would be the best move for black instead of king to a1. Now, if the king takes the pawn on f3, the same thing happens. He will lose by losing his queen on bishop g4 check. Now, please put on your comment in this situation over here. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Thank you.